Cheers, everybody. Welcome to. Cat's getting away. Cheers, everybody. Welcome to the second beer of the ALDI Coronation beer series, if you want to call it that. So we've just done the Golden Pilsner. Next up is the Best Bitter. And we've got a can of Hail to the King. Brewed by Freedom Brewery in partnership with Freedom Brewery, but we all know that Freedom Brewery brewed it. So it's clocking in at 3.9% ABV. This is £1.79. And it says a malt driven beer with little hop character, a touch of bitterness on the finish from roasted barley and a deep reddish hue. Imparted by the malt used for its production, expect toasty and caramel flavours with a light coffee-like bitter finish. It sounds really good. Let's hope that this is, it does kind of like fits in with its style, its portraying. Let's hope it's true to its word. In other words, so with the pills, and let's crack it open. And again, as you can see on the can, it's another King Charles Spaniel. I'd actually say a Charles Cavalier Spaniel. I don't know what they are, aren't they? I'm a cat man. I'm not a dog person. So murder me in the comments if there's different varied Charles Cavalier, King Charles Spaniel Cavalier. Anyway, just murder us in the comments. So appearance wise, for starters, I'm going to be a little bit of a snob in a minute and pretend I know what I'm talking about. Pretend I know what I'm talking about. For a bitter, it should be slightly darker for me, like more of a chestnutty colour. That is more bordering amber look to it. But that's just me because I like my Yorkshire bitters, and Yorkshire bitters for me are renowned for being slightly darker. Right, medium flow carbonation, dissipating head again. Then again, and again. I haven't even said what it was before, did I? And not much, I'll be honest. Slight nuttiness there, but I wouldn't say there's much coming off that. So I'm going to go in. Cheers. God save the king. There you go. For me, I expected more, but come on, you pay 179. Well, 179 still. So if I went into a Londi's or a corner shop and they had, I don't know, John Smith's original or Stones, I wouldn't be paying 179 a can, would I? Going again. There's not a lot of substance to it for me. You are getting more or less impressions of bitter notes. You get nuts. You get like a slight roastedness. You're getting a hint of toffee. Slight dry finish. Would this be better than a can of Tetley's? I haven't reviewed Tetley's on this channel. I'll have to do that. I would say it'd be on a par, but I haven't reviewed Tetley's. I'll have to sort that out. I'm going again. I would say it's 3.9. Body of the beer itself, it's not thin. It's the carbonation is filling the gaps for me. So there is a refreshing quality to this. It's not the best bitter I've had. You get a hint of brown bread on the back end now. Um, but it's not terrible. It's not terrible. I'm just feeling, could this be a 99p can of bitter as opposed to £1.79 can of bitter? I would say it is. But overall, these breweries have got to make money somehow, and I still don't know how Freedom Brewery do it, but they do. With their little partnership with ALDI. So overall, it's not terrible. But me being a tightwad, I think I've paid about 79 pence too much for it. I think I have, but it's not terrible. It'll be after this weekend. You must well pick that up for £1 a can anyway, once the prices go down, because Aldi have been pushing these beers all week. So once the price comes down, pick one up and tell me what you think. But it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's safe. It's drinkable, and yes, slightly overpriced. Thank you very much for watching this one. Please subscribe, murder me in the comments like you do, and long live the king. Oh, we got one called Long Live the King. See you in my next one. Bib bib.